In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off private profile on Pinterest on PC. To get started, open your web browser and go to Pinterest. Once the site loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before changing any privacy settings, especially if you manage more than one profile. After you're logged in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find the settings and support icon there. Depending on how Pinterest is displayed on your screen, this may appear as a small down arrow or a gear style settings icon. Click that icon to open the menu. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Pinterest account, where you can control different privacy, visibility, and profile options. Next, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the settings page. In that list, click on Profile Visibility. This section is where Pinterest lets you manage whether your account is visible to other people. Once you're in profile visibility, find the private profile toggle. If private profile is currently enabled, your account visibility is limited, which means other users may not be able to discover your profile as easily. To turn off private profile, simply click the toggle so it switches off. After doing that, your profile will no longer be private. While you're here, it's also a good idea to check the search privacy setting. If this option is turned on, your profile may be hidden from external search engines. So if you want your Pinterest profile to appear again in places like search results outside of Pinterest, switch that toggle off as well. After making these changes, take a moment to confirm that both settings now reflect the visibility you want. Pinterest may save changes automatically, so in most cases you won't need to click a separate save button. Still, it's always helpful to pause and double check before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully turned off private profile on Pinterest using a PC. If your goal is to make your profile easier for others to find, disabling both private profile and search privacy can help improve your visibility. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process quick and easy to follow.